Not banning Ultron. Feels a little thorough. I don't even know Fable at this point. My brain is just off. These games are miserable today and yesterday.
What the? What?
What?
He
What
flew
the
out.
Who did?
Wait, what? Wait.
But now he's back in.
Oh, he's back. Wait, what?
It's like
What
a
the
glitch,
fuck?
but like.
Are we
they
sure we
gave
want to
those-
run Ultron as a second support into this? It's only two? So that's smart.
Wait, he's Lord Loki? Why was he? We should have banned Penny. We fucked up so
Fine.
hard, dude.
I will throw my little thing on the Penny bullshit. Yeah, Hawkeye though. Emma's really far in. You can kill Emma.
They don't have a lot of healing.
What are they running? They have Luna and Ultron. Let's go.
We should be able to run over them, dude.
And Penny's. Let's go, let's go. I'm pulling Emma back in. Their Luna's dead.
Damn.
Watch
Dead,
the mines,
bro.
watch
Holy
the mines.
shit, he's alive.
They have no healing, no healing.
I'm throwing my shit on the mines. Keep 3 on and cap. Sorry. Can't see you up there, Punisher.
Wasted.
All good.
Oh, Bucky, you're psycho. I pulled Strange through! I pulled Strange through!
Ultron?
Where is he? Where are we?
He's dead.
Where's this one?
It's hella far.
It is fun.
Yo,
Wait,
I
what
could
the
die.
fuck? Why are we not on cart?
Because we went through the portal.
I didn't get kill participation.